How to care and grow red bananas. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's gardening video, I'm talking about red leaf bananas and how to care for your red leaf bananas over the winter months and obviously over the spring and summer. We've been growing red bananas for probably the last 10 years. And unfortunately they're not a hardy banana unlike our green ones, and we have to take them indoors before the first signs of frost, and we bring them out again when the danger of frost is over. So they normally go in to a unheated greenhouse round about mid-October, and they come out again mid-May, and we've not had any fatalities doing it that way. When I first started growing them, the red bananas, I did leave one plant out in the garden and it perished over the winter months. So lesson learned, we always bring them in now. And I'm going to show you how I look after and care for the red bananas throughout the year. Here's 3 other bird of paradise, plus a red banana, which is just simply too delicate to keep outdoors. With the red banana, I cut the trunk down, and over the winter months you tend to find one stem will come up. The leaf won't unravel. I bring all these plants back out into the garden once any danger of frost has ceased. Okay, our red bananas just come out, coming towards the end of April. So I'm going to just trim off all the old leaves that died back from last year's growth. There's the new leaves that have emerged, and we'll put this in full sun again. Here we are, all nice and clean, trimmed, all the dead leaves removed, ready to be placed into the full sun. Bananas are quite easy to look after again, guys. If they are tender, you need to bring them inside for the winter months, as I did with this one. And basically at the start of the winter months, I just cut off the top leaves, and as you can see, 2 new ones are growing back. And for today, I've just cut off all the old leaves, cleaned it all up, and I'll give it a good water now, and probably give it a feed tomorrow. But all you need to do, full sun, lots of water, lots of feed. Here we are, guys, the red banana in situ, looking absolutely fantastic amongst the Buddha within our banana garden. The green bananas stay out all year. I cut all these this year down to 1 metre in height, and they're all growing back nicely. They stay out all year, as I said. This one has to go in because it's just too tender, but looks absolutely stunning. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this gardening video on how to care for red bananas. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, everybody.